Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Choose the right exhaust path for louder sound and balanced tone. A catback or axleback exhaust can increase sound by 3 to 8 dB. If you want a sharper note, consider high-flow mufflers or straight-through designs. They amplify harmonics and low-end rumble. A resonator or muffler delete raises tone but may add drone at cruising speeds. Balance loudness with usable sound. Aggressive systems give more volume but can be intrusive in daily driving. Always check local noise and emissions laws before modifying exhaust. Modify induction and turbo components to change engine voice without excessive volume. High-flow downpipe with a 200-cell cat increases turbo sound and reduces back pressure. Replacing restrictive intake sections and installing a cold air intake lets more intake noise into the cabin. A cold air filter and tuned intake tract sharpen induction sound under throttle. A conservative ECU tune can open valves and alter wastegate behavior for audible results. But always flash with a reputable map. Plan installation to control tone, drone, and durability for daily use. Use 2. 5 to 3-inch stainless 304 tubing for exhaust work to balance flow and tone. Larger diameters can be louder but lose low-end pressure. Retain resonators or add sound deadening to reduce cabin drone on highway drives, targeting comfortable in-cabin acoustics while keeping an aggressive exterior note. Always test for leaks, check mounting and heat shielding, and keep service records and receipts to support warranty or resale considerations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.